it's me, Riley King. Do you need a new place to get your hair done? Why don't you try Manchester Hair Excitement in the Mall of New Hampshire, right next to Best Buy. They have a hair salon. They do hair cutting, men, women, and children, hair color, perms, smoothing treatments, blowouts, updos. They also have a day spa, facials, massage, and body treatments, full body waxing, manicures and pedicures, lash and brow tinting, makeup appliances. You can also purchase beauty packages. And all the staff there at Manchester Hair Excitement are very friendly and nice. Why don't you book your appointment today? Call now, 603-626-6900. Address is 1500 South Willow Street, Manchester, New Hampshire, zip code 03103. Book your appointment now at the Manchester Hair Excitement, and hours are Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m., Saturday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., and Sunday, 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Go on now and check out Manchester Hair Excitement at the Mall of New Hampshire by Best Buy.